Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make beer sticks updated. Start by sanitizing all equipment thoroughly and measuring ingredients precisely. Mix malt extract with water, heat to a rolling boil for 60 minutes, then cool rapidly. Pitch yeast at stable 68 degrees F and monitor gravity for steady fermentation. Bottle or keg when target gravity is reached and condition for a few days to develop carbonation and flavor. Gather ingredients and gear before you begin to avoid interruptions. Use quality malt extract, designed hops, and fresh yeast for reliable fermentation. Prepare a sanitized fermenter with an airlock and a simple siphon or bottling setup. Keep a thermometer and hydrometer handy to track temperature and gravity. Having everything ready speeds the process and reduces contamination risk, making beer sticks a practical project for beginners and busy brewers. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more brewing tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long brew sessions. They feel great when you stand by the kettle and won't wear out when you wash them often. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear process to keep things simple and repeatable. Start with a 60-minute boil and add hops at scheduled times for bitterness and aroma. Cool the wort quickly to yeast pitching temperature, then transfer to your sanitized fermenter and add yeast at about 68 degrees F. Let fermentation run for roughly 7 days while monitoring gravity. When fermentation is complete, bottle with appropriate priming sugar or keg and condition briefly for carbonation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.